Hello, and welcome to Lions Types Photoshop Tutorials. I will be showing you how you can experiment with the carpet font, including the effects that are placed together all in one text.
Lions Type is pleased to bring you our feature presentation.
The document is set in 1920 by 1080 pixels, with the base font size 374. Go to your Type tool and type out your text in the base font named LT Carpet. Next, we're going to be setting a lighter color for the base text. Go to your color picker, and pick whatever lighter color fits your needs. And click OK. Press Ctrl or Command J on your keyboard to make a copy of the base text. We're going to be changing the font to the gradient version for a slightly darker tone to make a gradient of the base text. Go to your color picker, then pick a darker tone for the gradient as shown here. Again, you can use whatever color is appropriate for your needs. Then we're going to make a copy of the base layer to make a shadow layer. Drag the copy below the base layer. Then change the font to LT Carpet Shadow. Go to your color picker, and pick a blackish color that coincides with the base and/or gradient color. And last but not least, we're going to be applying a shadow gradient stacking on the shadow out of all layers. Go to your color picker, and then pick black. To make a stroke inside of the gradient text, make a copy of the base text, and drag it on top of the gradient layer. Change the fill to 0%. Click on FX, and click Stroke. The color should be set in the base text, and the stroke should be as little as 2 to 4 pixels, or depending on the size of your text. To increase the stroke size, double-click on the stroke, and follow what's shown on screen. This has given you an overview of what you can do with the LT Carpet fonts. Visit Lions Type at this URL for typefaces, Photoshop tutorials, and so much more. Thanks for watching.